What's good, guys? So, in today's video, we're gonna be playing Build Battle because I decided. So, yeah. Let me call Plet right now. Yeah. Hey, Plet. So, what's the topic gonna be? Get on your side. Get on your side. Alright, for the first topic, let's just make, yeah, a house. We're gonna have 5 minutes, yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Let me move it. Alright, so I think for this house, I'm just gonna make a simple oak house. What do you mean how much time? I thought you said the timer.
This nigga is trash.
Let's just say 1 minute left. Cause someone forgot to set the timer. Don't tell him. He's not gonna know. Dang. This house sucks. Hey, but it's pretty decent for 5 minutes. Alright, let's go in alphabetical order. So, P is before, no, that's you. That's you because I decided.
Can you shut the fuck?
What is this?
Oh man, no man. What
Cuddy,
the
what
hell?
is this?
Oh my god.
What is this?
Way,
Like this little, what does this N? Like lowercase n. It looks weird. That's already minus 1 point. Alright, and the house has 1 crafting table and a bed. That's minus 1 point. This kind of looks weird right here. Like this is jolting out randomly. That's minus 5 points. And this isn't the same direction, so that's annoying me. So that's minus like 20 points. And these leaves look kind of weird. Hey, but the farm's decent. Oh no, never mind. This random patch of like brownish, like lighter brown grass right here. That's minus 1 point. So all around, your build sucks. Alright, but in all seriousness, this is a decent build. I'm gonna give it, I forgot to put in my inventory. A 5 out of 10. No, a 6 out of 10. It's above average. I didn't even notice this. Alright, my build next. Come on. It's the most amazing build you've ever seen. It's the best house that anyone has ever encountered.
Is this nigga serious?
Brody, come over here. Yes, it was supposed to be a window. I forgot to put glass there. Ignore that. It's a good house, bro. It's a decent starter house. Look, you can sleep here. This cannot be worse than yours. There's no way this can be worse than yours. Bro, it's at least a 10 out of 10 though. No, a 9 out of 10 at least. Like this is the best house that anyone's ever seen. 4.5? Okay, fine, I'll give you that round. Go back to your side. What's the new topic? I pick the topic now. My topic will be, what can the topic be? Oh, the ocean. Alright, I got my topic. I think it'll be a volcano. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. No, you get the timer. You know, I don't really feel like making a volcano right now, so I'm just gonna... Boom, I win by default because yours got griefed.
Hey, yo, chill!
Well, I win by default because you literally... I win by default because... No, there's still blocks there, so... Anyway, I win by default because I saved mine, and mine was cooler and nicer, and it has water, so it's like... So it's better that by default? Okay. Alright, I'm in. Our last thing should be to build Mercury. Like the entirety of Mercury. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. You haven't heard, haven't you? Problem solved. You know, now that I'm looking at this Mercury, it kinda sucks. So I think I have a better idea instead. Now that's a Mercury if I've ever seen one. Yo! What was that? Alright, so while I'm free falling, shout out to Pletris Rex. Go to his YouTube channel and go subscribe to him because he makes good videos too. And anyway, goodbye. This video was recorded in a snowstorm. And yeah, bye.
Whoa!